Okay, so this is the Anycubic I3 Mega. Power is on currently, but the motor is off. So basically there is in low power mode. You can sort of hear the fan going in underneath it. It's not that loud. Now, when let's see, axis. So if I basically move the motor, or if I start up the print, for example, when the power increases, I don't know if you can hear that well on the camera, but something is vibrating. If I press on the platform or the bottom here, yeah, so you can notice that the vibrating sound goes away. So it is really loud. I don't know, something is making this entire thing vibrate, and depending on where I press, the sound can get, you know, more to an acceptable level versus what I hear now.